In this video, I will discuss to you about plant cell. The cell is the basic unit of almost all living organism. It is the structural and functional unit of life. Some living organisms consist of a single cell, that is plant green algae, animal amoeba, while larger ones are made up millions of them. Most cells are extremely small and hardly visible to the naked eyes. Now I will discuss the cell wall. The cell wall is located outside the cell membrane. It consists mainly of cellulose and may also contain lignin, which makes it more rigid. The cell wall gives shapes, supports, and protects the cell. It prevents the cell from absorbing too much water and bursting. It may have water repellent, waxy cuticle. The cell wall also acts as a shield of the cell. It also keeps large damaging molecules out of the cell. It also protects the cell against pathogens, viruses, bacteria, fungi, etc. Now I will also discuss about plastids. The plastids are membrane-bound organelles with their own DNA. Examples are chloroplast, chromoplasts, and leucoplasts, colorless plastid. Next that I'm going to discuss is about vacuole. The large central vacuole is surrounded by its own membrane and contains water and dissolved substance. Its primary role is to maintain pressure against the inside of the cell wall and giving the cell shape and helps to support the plant. Our next video, I will discuss about the cytoplasm, cell membrane, mitochondria, ribosomes, endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi body nucleus, and lysosomes. Before I end this video, I am going to ask you all a favor to please like, watch, share this video, and subscribe. Thanks you for watching.